Hello there. There are lots of videos out there about hair lightening and hair bleaching, but you won't find any that is even close to our own developed hair bleaching technology. We also have a pending patent document on our hair bleaching technology. We have researched, tested and developed one of the top and highest hair quality preserved bleaching technologies that is offered to public. As you know, that most large companies, they hide their bleaching techniques. We don't hide our bleaching technology, however, we have patented it and started offering our technology for money for you to learn and make your own blondes. We have been making tons of blondes by now, and we have so much loaded with blonde orders, so we decided to share our knowledge with some salon owners and hairstylists. By now we have more than hundreds of businesses who are successfully using our technology and all over the world. We have hair businesses that use our technology in United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, China, Russia, Brazil, Germany, United Kingdom and other countries in Europe. You may purchase our blondes, work with our blondes, color them, tone them, and etc. Or you may simply start learning how to make your own blondes. Please be prepared that this course is only for professionals and salon owners. You cannot be bleaching your hair at home with our technology. We use very toxic chemicals that require very well ventilated area. And also you would need a hairstylist license in some countries in order to be able to purchase the chemicals. And thank you so much for your interest in our bleaching course.
We offer human hair bleaching course online. We have 11 years of experience. Our technology is in great demand. Please sign up for our human hair bleaching course online. Thank you.